Okay, so today we're going to do a bus ride. All right, so the first step in taking a bus ride is knowing which bus to get on. So the best way to do it is if you move into a neighborhood, you just walk around a little bit and you can find the closest bus stop to you, and you go check it out and you look and see what number is on there. So that's one way to do it. That's what I normally do. Like if I'm working with a student, I'll go into their neighborhood and I'll walk around and I'll see what buses go by. So here we have H8, and it's going to be called the D74 in about a month. So the second step, actually, let me add this. There's more than one way to figure out what bus you need to take, and you can also use apps. You can use your whatever your GPS thing on your phone is, if it's Google Maps, whatever. So there's a lot of different ways, and we'll talk about that. But anyway, today I am going to take the H8, and I've taken this bus before, so I know how it works. So first step is, I know I want to get on the H8, but I need to make sure I get on it going in the correct direction. So I already know that if I'm on the side of the street that I'm standing on here, that I am not going to be going in the direction I want to go. So I need to find the bus stop on the other side of the street. Now, often, as is the case here, the stops are pretty close to each other, just on opposite sides of the street, but that's not always true. So you kind of have to know that bit of information as well. So I'm going to cross the street. Hopefully someone will stop and let me go like they're supposed to. Here I go. And here is the bus stop that is on the opposite side of the street. It's not directly across, but it's close. And that's usually how it works, so that if you know which way you're going, you just have to cross the street, so it's not too difficult. So here we are. We're going to wait here at the bus stop, and I have an app, or I just looked at a website that's giving me real-time information about where the bus is. So I'm going to look at that, and I'm going to wait until the bus gets closer, and then I'll renew the video or start it back up again. All right, talk to you soon.